Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Audible. Let's begin. Now, for those who are new in the platform, Audible is an Amazon-owned service that offers a vast collection of audiobooks, podcasts, original audio shows, and more. Now, it allows users to purchase and download audiobooks for listening on various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or computers. Basically, Audible also offers a subscription service like this one, where members can access a certain number of audiobooks per month for a monthly fee, along with other benefits like discounts on additional purchases. Now, these popular platforms are really good for those who enjoy listening to books on the go or while multitasking or passive listening. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to pick one audiobook a month, and you can choose any title you want from unmatched collections. And of course, there's thousands of included titles. But of course, that is for the membership. When you click the try for $0 per month, all you're gonna do is sign in with your Amazon account. At this point in time, I am pretty sure you already have your Amazon account already created. But if you don't have, you might wanna click on the create your account here on Amazon. All right. Now, once you are here, make sure you have the all information net ready, like your first name, email. You can use a business or a working email. You can use a strong and unique characters, and by re-entering the password and signing into the terms and conditions, you're good to go. Now, for example, you went here on Amazon and you were typing, for example, like an audiobook. Let's see what we got. You see, the one of the best results is with Prime membership. All right, and if you click on the audiobooks, Audible, you would be getting a lot of plenty results. Like, for example, Ryan's Tech Out for Blood. Okay. Now, if you let's look for the best sellers. That's gonna be Stephen King, all right, or Eruption from James Patterson. Well, let's click on this for now. As you can see, it's free for Audible subscriber, right? There's a free trial. You have the Kindle, which is available instantly, and you get like 45 points if you are a member and you try to purchase this specific audiobook. Now, you have the hardcover if you wanted $18 per 0.90 in paperback, and you can also go for the continue for free. Now, if you wanted to earn like Stephen King, all right, the next thing that you need to do is to create your Audible account. Now, I have already created my Audible account, but what we need to create is a thing called Audible Affiliates Program or Creator Program, all right? Now, as you can see, this is how you make money with a free offer for your listeners, all right? Get $15 for each trial membership you generate. Now, all you're gonna do is click this option right here, click here to sign up. Just wait for it to load. Because the first thing that we need to do is to create a high quality audiobooks through their platform, all right? Now, here, of course, obviously, you're gonna agree to the terms and conditions. You wanna make sure that you read and understand all these on the payout. You have like $15 per order. Schedule is, these are the payout schedule and action locking. Actions are locked 27 days after end of the month they are tracked, and approved transactions are paid 60 days after end of the month they lock, all right? And correct policy is last click, and all of these. Make sure you understand all of these, all right? You do not skip anything at this point. After that, click on accept, and you can start up and start earning by using your Facebook account or a Google account. Now, you want to make sure that you complete all the necessary registration before you can start creating your audiobooks or audio platform here on Audible, all right? Now, from here, I'm just going to put in all the information and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, here, all you're going to do is complete your marketplace information such as your name, your logo, of course, your personal information such as this one, and the contacts. Now, for the business model, you can, of course, choose content reviews, deal coupons, but of course, we're looking for the cross-audience monetization. Now, if you have, this is very important, all right? If you have a media kit PDF, if you have one, upload a PDF of your media kit. You can upload multiple. You can choose the file on your local directory or drag and drop the file. All right. After that, all you're going to do is click on save and your account here in Audible has been already created. Now, basically, ACX is the audiobook creation exchange. It's a Amazon platforms where you can publish your audiobooks. It connects authors, narrators. You can either produce the audiobook yourself if you have these skills, or hire a narrator through ACX. For example, I am a content creator making tutorials and of course how-tos, guides, videos on YouTube, so I might want to apply here. And for example, I'm gonna look for the narrator, and all I have to do is click on the eligibility. All right, and you have read and understand the ACX account holder agreement. Now, for example, when you're during your publishing on ACX, you have several distribution options. You can opt for the exclusive distribution through the ACX and Audible, meaning you can earn higher royalties up to 40%, but you agree not to sell your audiobook through other platforms. After clicking register, you have to wait for the email that you have granted the access and the membership was already being successfully created before you can start, of course, your first work here in audiobook. All right, you can set your audiobook price with certain guidelines on ACX, because Audible members often receive 1 credit per month as part of their subscription, where they can use purchase your audiobook. Now, once you're ready, all you have to do is log into your Audible account, and then you can now simply promote your audiobook here. Once your audiobook is live on Audible, you can promote it in the various channels such as social media, email marketing, author website or blog, all right, paid advertising, and of course, you can keep track of your audiobook sales through the ACX reporting tools. You can encourage listeners to leave reviews, as positive reviews can improve your audiobook's visibility and credibility in Audible. Now, you can create series or continuations. If your audiobook performs well, you can consider creating sequels or series or related content to keep listeners engaged and coming back for more. What will happen is you would be able to follow these steps and effectively monetize your efforts on Audible by creating and selling audiobooks that resonate with their audience and leveraging the platform's wide reach and distribution capabilities. Now, you would be able to see your names here on the top results for Audible audiobooks, all right, in the likes of Stephen King, James Patterson, David Baldacci, Kate Quinn, and a lot more. And of course, if your audiobook performs well, you can consider again creating sequels for this one, another series for Netflix, Amazon, of course, or related content to keep listeners engaged and coming back for more. All right, so these are the top editors picked for every month here on Amazon Audible. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.